inside of the Cannadri. You can see it's really nicely, simply laid out. This is what you'd have in essentially in all DX dehumidifiers. DX dehumidification stands for refrigeration, basically. The evaporator provides the condensation as the airflow is across it. As the airflow is drawing in, the evaporator creates the condensation, and the condensation goes down. Then you have the condenser, which typically in an air conditioner would be your component that would be outside. Now the condenser reheats that air. It's essentially an air conditioner because you're cooling the air, but then you're also reheating the air. That is how a DX dehumidifier works. I mean, you have a metering device, you have a compressor, which is the heart of the system. This is pumping the refrigerant throughout. And then you have a supply fan, which obviously has to circulate to draw the air across the unit to create the moisture effect.